Besides the basic functions, touch, write, and save, our INTECH software also provides you with many supporting functions. Let's see some of them. Maybe you can still remember the times your teacher or the presenter spends lots of time trying to draw a figure on the blackboard or on a whiteboard. It's time-consuming, isn't it? But with interval, it's easy to solve. We have a lot of icons here, and you can see these are illustrating different geometry graphics. Click the icon in it, drag it on the screen. You can change its size, enlarge its content, and its properties can change in the attribute. Both the night color and night style with transparency, and also you can fill in color into it. Now you can see it is changed. And also, we have prepared a lot of picture galleries. Click the picture gallery icon. And here you can see, we categorize all the pictures into different subjects as they are related to. Let's take some example. This is subject to as geography. Double-click the picture you choose. It will show automatically on the screen. And also you can change the size, move it, and rotate it as well. And the teachers might need to illustrate the pictures. Now they want to input some standard text. It's okay, we can do that. Change the text icon. Click here. And you can see here is a dialog box. If you write something in this box, your handwriting will be recognized into some standard text automatically. This is one of the many ways to input text into our software. And also, you can choose to input from the software keyboard. Click the keyboard button. And you can type anything here. And choose OK. Here you can see this is what we have written, and we can just move it to the locations that we need it to be. And also we can mark something on it so that the students will pay attention to it. And sometimes we may have put a lot of pictures on the whiteboard, and we may need them to be shown one by one. And when we have a lot of pictures piled together, for example, like this. Now we want the pictures as a button shown on the level. We can use the functions to change the picture layers. And also when there are a lot of them piled together, you can use this to the level up and to the bottom directly. So besides all these functions, and sometimes we may need to highlight some content so that the audience can pay their full attention to it. There are a few functions that can help you to learn as this. We have a spotlight function. And its sizes can be changed. You can move it around the screen, and also here in the right corner is a menu box. You can change its types, its shapes, and its transparency, and also the background color here. Exit it when it is finished. Another similar function is the screen highlight function. Let's try how it works. It will cover the whole screen here on this. You can draw any types of circles or triangular here, and allows the audience to pay attention to the part that you want them to. And also, you can just draw a lot of circles and all sorts of shapes as you want with this continuous customized function. You can just circle them and you can move the contents. Besides all these functions, sometimes we may need to do some games with our orders. For example, we may write some questions on one side of the screen and answers on the other side. So, this is the screen cover. You can see there are 4 arrows here. You move it to reveal this screen, and you can drag it to this place, and so you will cover and all sorts of things. This can sometimes it is like a game that you're playing with your words to increase the interactivity. You just need to guide them through this discovery tree. Exit as well. And besides all these functions, we can also input some videos into this. And as you can see, here is a video icon. Let's play it. Double click it so it will play in full screen. Click the button to stop it. And also, we can just record a movie by ourselves on this whiteboard. This is a screen recorder. Click this button, so it will start recording here. Let's do something. We can write anything. This is another way to save the notes and something you want the students or audience to pay attention to, and I want them to review later. You can choose to save them. For example, let's save it on the desktop. And we can just click here to see what we have done. Here it is, just the same as the screen we have seen just now, and the things we have done. Close it when it's finished. Meanwhile, sometimes your students may be distracted and you want their attention back. You can use the break page. You may say, "Thank you, please pay attention to us." The text can change. Like, "Be quiet," or anything that you want it to be. So far, I have illustrated a lot of supporting functions of our INTECH software, and there are a lot of more that you can just use to come back with all your files and your own contents and using imagination to see what you can do with them. And I believe that the power is very extraordinary, and you can just discover more than I did. Now, let's